Most people host a webinar, hit stop, and that's it. An hour of great content just sits in a folder, never to be seen again. What a waste. The smartest creators do the opposite. They run one webinar and walk away with 10 plus pieces of content from it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to host a webinar and turn it into 10 pieces of content using Riverside, which handles the recording, the live stream, and the repurposing all in one place. A webinar isn't just another piece of content. It's a chance to connect with your audience in real time, answer questions, build trust, and establish yourself as an authority in your niche. So the live audience is valuable, but the real magic happens when you turn that one event into content you can keep sharing long after the webinar ends. A regular video talks at people, a webinar talks with them. That's how you go from a creator they watch to the person they trust in your space. Okay, so you're sold on the why. Here's the part that intimidates people most, and honestly, it shouldn't. A great webinar isn't a tech problem first, it's a planning problem first. You don't need a production team. You need 3 things before you ever hit record. 1, a tight outline. Pick one clear promise for your audience, the single thing they'll walk away able to do. Then build 3 to 4 points that deliver it. 1 promise, a few points, a takeaway. That's the whole skeleton. 2, your guest. If you want one, bringing on an expert or a co-host instantly raises your value and pulls their audience too. 3, the tone. Are you teaching, interviewing, or running a panel? Set that before you start so your energy is intentional instead of accidental. Nail those 3, outline, guest, tone, and you've built an actual event, not just a recording you hit start on and hope for the best. Here's what Riverside does differently. Every single person on the call records locally on their own device in their own separate track. So you're not capturing whatever survives the trip across the internet. You're capturing the full quality recording straight off each person's camera and mic. No compression, no quality loss from bad Wi-Fi. That means studio quality audio and video, even with remote guests, no matter where they're dialing in from. If your guest's connection drops for a second during the live stream, it does not matter. Their local recording is still clean and crisp the whole way through. The storm outside your window has 0 say in how your webinar looks. That one difference, local separate track recording, is the entire reason I trust Riverside with the live launch. Everything else is a bonus. And bringing someone on doesn't add risk to your hassle. You send your guest, panelist, or co-host one link. No downloads, no software for them to wrestle with, nothing technical on their end. They click, they're in, and they're recording in that same studio quality on their own device. So you can have an expert from across the country and they'll look and sound exactly as good as you do. Now, you still want it live, and here's the nice part. Riverside streams the live broadcast straight from the platform while it's capturing those clean local tracks behind the scene. One tool runs the stream and the high quality recording at the same time. You're not duct taping Zoom to StreamYard and hoping they get along. It's all in one place. Your audience gets the live experience and you get the pristine recording to keep. And because you've now got a genuinely high quality recording, not a blurry one, it's actually worth repurposing. The second your webinar wraps, Riverside automatically generates short clips from the session. One webinar turns into 10 plus ready to post clips for LinkedIn, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts without you scrubbing through an hour of footage. And you can polish the whole thing right inside Riverside. No exporting anywhere. The AI editor removes filler words, cleans up the audio, lets you cut whole sections, and add captions. No external editor, no extra tools. You go from live webinar to finish. Caption video and a stack of clips all in one place, and all of it is crisp as the day you recorded it. Now, here's where it all pays off, and this is the part I really want to land for you. The 1 hour you spent live, that's not one piece of content. That's a month of it. Look at what you're actually walking away with. The full session becomes your long form YouTube video. Those auto-generated clips become a week plus of shorts and reels for YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Pull the best lines and you got LinkedIn post and quote graphics, run the transcript, and that's a blog article or 3. One session and suddenly your content calendar is full. And the only reason that's possible is that you started with a clean, high quality recording. You cannot repurpose blurry, glitchy footage because nobody's clipping that. But a crisp, separate track recording, every minute of it is usable. So the workflow is dead simple. Host once inside Riverside, let Magic Clips and the AI editor do the heavy lifting, and walk away with the finished video and a stack of ready to post content, all from the same session without ever opening a second tool. That's the whole point. Riverside isn't just a recording tool, it's the engine that powers your entire content strategy. And I've got a code for you. So use that code at checkout for 1 month free. Link and codes are in the description and pinned in the comments below. That's how you host a webinar that holds up no matter what your internet or the weather decides to do. If this helped, subscribe and tell me in the comments what your webinar is going to be about. See you in the next one. Bye.